don't you?
Little corn eaters.
That's my finger. He went all the way around. Ernie said, how do you do that, Bert?
Bert's got it down pretty good.
Yes, he always has.
Yeah,
Look at it drip all over the floor.
some juicy corn.
Keep going, boys.
Are you taking pictures or a video?
Video.
Oh gosh, Ernie, you spilled it all over the floor. Oh, Ernie. You pig. You gotta swallow it. You're dropping it on the floor for Bert. Bert knows how to do it, don't you, Bertie? You know how to do it, don't you? You've eaten it since you were a little boy. I think you're just licking the butter, Bern. He spits it out. No, y'all's cute. What a mess. What a mess. Mama's sweet babies made a big mess. Yes, they did. Look at that mess on the floor. They ate the whole thing, Daddy.
Well, I'm sure. They ate the cabbage.
Well, I think Ernie ate the butter. He dropped the corn out of his mouth and Bert licked it up out of the floor.